What's going on, guys? It's Robert here. If you're new to this channel or you don't know much about me, I have about 8 subscribers on YouTube, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've sort of just started this channel wanting to inspire young entrepreneurs, anyone getting into entrepreneurship, and give my word of advice. So in today's video, I'll be addressing why it's never a good idea to focus on too many different business opportunities at one time. And this is something that I struggled with when I just got started in my pursuit of learning about passive income and multiple income streams. And if I would have been told this, when I was just getting started, it would have saved me thousands of dollars. So I was at the point where, I really started getting into passive income and learning multiple ways to generate income online. As I did more research, I never really committed to one specific thing, but I kept following what others were doing, and I really wasn't focusing all my energy in the right place. And this is easy to do with the internet being our resource tool. Like, there's so much information out there. So you guys have to sort of decide what's the best long-term investment. If you sit there and put in all these hours, you want to make sure you're getting the most out of them long-term. We'll go into reason number one, why focusing your energy in too many different places at once doesn't really work out in the long run. To be an expert, you must be exceptionally skilled at what you're doing. And the only way you're going to succeed out in the business world on your own with no one telling you what to do is to become the expert. And this level of skill, it can't be acquired if you're putting in 50% or 75% or 95%. Like, this level of skill is only obtained when you're putting in your 100% effort every time, and you're treating that with, you're pouring your heart and soul into it. I'm not just saying this like, I'm not saying you won't have success. I'm saying the guaranteed path to success every time is by committing to that thing and being consistent with it. And that is the only way that you'll excel and become an expert at that thing. You don't want to be the guy that's only half good at Shopify dropshipping, or that's only half good at day trading stocks. You want to make sure you fully understand the business model. You want to make sure that you can at any moment just set up a store, make sales. You can start day trading and know the analytics you're looking at. The second reason that this really got to me, this was sort of detrimental to me losing thousands of dollars, and having multiple things going on at once for a beginner is dangerously distracting. This usually leads people to fail. Going to work is a big distraction if you're starting entrepreneurship, and that is because you're focusing a lot of time and energy somewhere. Like when you do have a few free hours of your time that you're going to invest in yourself, you've already used most of your energy that day at your 9 to 5. And let's say you have money on the line in one, and then something pops up like, wow, this looks like it'll work great for me, and then you put money in that one, and like, there you go, you're in a sticky situation because you have two separate business models that require your time and attention and your 100% effort to make them succeed. You're now going to be giving either 50% here and 50% here, or vice versa, or one's gonna outweigh the other. So you have to be very careful. And the reason being is that you haven't yet mastered the first business model. You're still maybe, you're getting there, but you're not fully on autopilot with that business model, and you start learning something different. You're sort of, taking away from what potential that business model could have. This is a great example. Day trading and dropshipping, I used it earlier. To be able to set up a Shopify store effectively and start having it generate sales and put it on autopilot, that's like the ultimate goal for anyone that starts this business model. So with that being said, this is going to be a pretty short video. I'm just going to get into my eBay selling account and see the performance overall. I've put a lot of time and effort into this thing, but at the same time, I don't think I've put all the time and effort that needed to be put into it to make it successful. Hey, what's up, guys? We're getting into my eBay here, and you can see this is my eBay Robert Iacob here, and I'm gonna hit sell, and you guys can look at my selling performance over time. And the reason that I'm making this to show you guys, like, my sales now, like, whatever, they're okay. Not really. I mean, it's just, this is all passive income for me, guys. I'm not doing anything to make this money here. I've already done the work. And so we go here in I'm gonna go back a couple months, probably last year, to show you guys what my eBay used to look like when I was putting in more time and effort into it. But I wasn't putting in my full potential, what I could have been doing. And here we go, you can see I had some really good days and I was making consistent sales. And this is me putting about 20% of my effort, guys, because I was working full time. I had a lot going on, and this is something that I saw, I got interested in it, and I started learning about it. And you can kind of tell, like, it's kind of just been going downhill since, because I picked up different business models that I've started learning. And this is just a great example, like, for a beginner. Like, if you're gonna get into something, make sure you're putting your 100% time and effort into that one thing, and you won't be sorry, because this is just me putting in less than what I should have been. And going back now, looking at it, if I would have just focused strictly on eBay selling, I would have been doing much better. And this is exactly what the point I'm trying to get across in this whole video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave comments down below. I'll be more than happy to help anyone trying to get into selling eBay. Like, I know more than the average person does. Oh, what's going on here? Sorry, I'm still getting used to this whole screen share thing, so whoops, I might have clicked something. Sorry, guys. Alright, that's pretty much it. You guys, thank you for watching.